Hello and welcome to Oracle Video Tutorials. I am Ahmed, and in this video we'll see how to export data by using Oracle Data Pump Utility or EXPDP. EXPDP utility is used to export data. This exported data can be used as backup, or it can be used to transfer data to other schemas. The executable file of this utility usually resides in bin folder in the Oracle installation directory. So for example, if Oracle is installed in C Oracle XC, then you should locate the bin folder under this directory. Example of the path in Windows is mentioned on the screen here. To run this utility, you need to open CMD or command prompt utility. Go to the path we mentioned before, and here you can execute EXPDP utility. Just type EXP utility and the parameters and press enter. Let's try to export full database using EXPDP utility. First, connect to system user. Now we need to create a directory object. Create directory name, and after as keyword provide a path of physical directory on your computer that should exist. You can locate directory object in SQL Developer Schema object list of the user you are connected to in this session. Here is the directory object we created. We need to make sure that directory exists on your computer. Now in CMD, go to the bin directory in Oracle installation directory. Type expd system / password for system directory for system directory equals to the directory object we created, dump file name, log file name, and in this case full is equal to yes. Now press enter. The process is started. Now process is successfully completed, as you can see message here. And here are our dump and log files created as a result of this process. To backup selected table spaces instead of full parameter, use table spaces parameter. We are providing users and system table spaces here in this demo. To export a schema or a list of schemas, you need to provide schemas parameter and provide a list of schemas you need to export as a value. Here we are exporting HR schema. Instead of providing parameters in the command prompt, you can save a text file with extension par or par and provide parameters in this file. And in the command line prompt, when you run EXPDP utility, provide this file with its full path instead of providing all the parameters. This is a sample parameter file. We are providing all the necessary parameters here separated by lines. Here we are exporting two table employees and departments of schema HR. While saving the file, we'll provide PAR extension or PAR extension. Provide any name you want. Since we are using HR schema to export tables, we need to grant HR user privileges on the directory used in the export process. Now you can notice here that after username and password, we are giving par file parameter and the path of the parameter file as its value. Okay, press enter, and here we go. The process has started.